Gyeongbokgung Palace is one of the most famous landmarks in South Korea. But behind its beautiful gates and traditional architecture is a story of power, destruction, and rebuilding. Located in Seoul, Gyeongbokgung Palace was originally built in 1395 and became the main royal palace of Korea's Joseon Dynasty. For centuries, this was the center of Korean government. Kings ruled from these grounds. Important ceremonies took place here, and decisions made inside these walls helped shape the country's future. At its height, the palace complex contained hundreds of buildings and thousands of rooms. But history changed everything. During invasions and periods of conflict, large sections of the palace were destroyed. For years, much of what once stood disappeared, leaving behind only fragments of its former scale. Eventually, restoration efforts began. What visitors see today is the result of decades of work to bring one of Korea's most important historical sites back to life. As you walk through the palace grounds, you'll notice wide courtyards, elegant wooden halls, and colorful details painted across the ceilings and beams. Every structure was designed with purpose. The placement of buildings reflected order, hierarchy, and the role of the royal family. One of the most iconic areas is the throne hall, where ceremonies and official events once took place. But one of the most interesting details is something many visitors do not expect. Look beyond the palace walls. Modern skyscrapers rise behind centuries-old architecture, creating one of the most unique contrasts in Seoul. In one direction, you see Korea's royal past. In the other, one of the most advanced cities in the world. Another moment worth seeing is the changing of the Royal Guard ceremony. With traditional uniforms and formal movements, it offers a glimpse into how palace life may have looked hundreds of years ago. Today, millions of visitors come here each year, not only to admire the architecture, but to experience a place that survived enormous change and continues to connect modern Korea with its history. If you ever visit Seoul, Gyeongbokgung Palace is one place you should not miss. Because sometimes, the most powerful places are not the newest. They're the ones that continue telling their story across generations. If you enjoyed this video and would like to license or use these clips in your own projects, click the links below for licensing and support. And subscribe for more travel and history videos from around the world.